I am the vine, you are the branches. He who abides in me, and I in him, bears much fruit, for without me you can do nothing. And this is eternal life, that they may know you, the only true God, and Jesus Christ whom you have sent. He who has the Son has life, he who does not have the Son of God does not have life. He is despised and rejected by men, a man of sorrows and acquainted with grief. And we hid, as it were, our faces from him. He was despised, and we did not esteem him. For even the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve, and to give his life a ransom for many. I am the door. If anyone enters by me, he will be saved, and will go in and out and find pasture. Knowing that you were not redeemed with corruptible things, like silver or gold, from your aimless conduct received by tradition from your fathers, but with the precious blood of Christ, as of a lamb without blemish and without spot.